a line with slope of -2 that passes through the point -11, -12. When they just give a single point and it's not the y-intercept, that tells you that we need to use point-slope form, right? Point-slope form. What I mean by that is this equation, y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1. Okay, that's a good one to internalize. And this is a really useful equation because it works for any point. For any point, x1, y1. So these subscripts here usually denote that a certain point is given, right? So this will be our x1, y1. You sometimes see this written as y sub 0, x sub 0 here. So the y and x stay variables, the y1 and the x1 get replaced with numbers. Okay, so let's do it. And I'm going to show this both in standard form and in slope-intercept form. Okay, so let's look for it in standard form, an answer, standard form answer, and in slope-intercept form. Let's just say slope-int form. Okay, let's do it. So plugging in here, we get y minus a -12 equals m, our m is -2, x minus -11. Okay, so there we've done it, we've plugged in. Now the rest of this problem is just simplifying. So that gives us y plus 12 equals -2, x plus 11. Let's go ahead and multiply this 2 through, distribute it. Y plus 12 equals -2x minus 22. And right here is a really good time to go to standard form if the problem calls for that. Remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers. Okay, so we can do that right now. Let's just get into that form. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides, subtract the 12 from both sides. That gives us 2x plus y equals -24. -34. That -34. Okay, so there's our standard form. The thing about standard form is there's an infinite number of ways you could write it in standard form. For instance, let's just look at something simple. I could multiply both sides by -1. That would give us -2x minus y equals 34. Different answer, but the same line, also in standard form. So that's why sometimes standard form isn't the best way to write these lines, and instead we use slope-intercept form. So remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, y equals mx plus b. All right, so I'm going to pick up this problem right here and keep going to slope-intercept form. Actually, let's go one more down right here. From here, we can just solve this easily. Subtracting 2x from both sides, that gives us y equals -2x minus 34. And now we have our slope-intercept form.